Hi everyone, it's Jason from eVTOL Insights with your latest news update on Monday, April the 19th. Munich Airport and Nuremberg Airport will become hubs for Lilium's proposed regional air mobility network in the state of Bavaria, Germany. The news follows on from a similar announcement made last year by the German startup, where it said it would work with Düsseldorf Airport and Cologne-Bonn Airport to explore the idea of a network in North-Rhine Westphalia, Germany's most densely populated state. Based on agreements with land and site operators, Lilium has already undertaken extensive site preparatory work covering site search, structural implementation and airspace integration, use cases and routes. The partnership will offer all-electric connections, with each being able to transport 6 passengers between different locations across the south of Germany. Lilium announced its first serial eVTOL aircraft, the Lilium Jet, last month. It has a range of more than 250 kilometers and a cruise speed of 280 kilometers per hour. Thanks so much for watching. To read the full story, head to our website, evtolinsights.com.